I just got off the a conference call with Jeremy talking about the 360 camera, and this is an amazing thing, the Insta360 1. I'm not sponsored by them. I was just a huge fan. So easy and awesome to work with. Anyway, a lot of people have asked over the years, hey, what does your office look like when you record a video? And it looks something like this. This is in 360. It's a fairly small space, but I call it home. This is the area over here that nobody ever sees, or normally nobody ever sees in the camera. You're getting a sneak peek of that right now. And if there's interest in it, I was considering putting up the tripod, which is a tripod right here, by the way. So this is the selfie stick right there. I'll put my hand around it all the way down. And you can see the bottom of the tripod right there. So anyway, I was considering when I'm creating a nugget, and I can do it tomorrow or the next day, when I'm creating a nugget, put the selfie stick there on the ground with the tripod, record it, and then play it in fast motion. And that way you can see the whole process from soup to dessert as we create, edit, and work with nuggets at CBT Nuggets. And if I speed it up to like 16x, that whole thing would take, my math skills aren't great right now. But if it took 2 hours to do it, I could squeeze it all into maybe 2 or 3 minutes and put some cool music behind it. So if that's something you would like to see, let me know. Just leave a little comment saying, yeah, I would love to see the fast sped up version of recording a nugget. And if there's a few people that want it, I will do it. So anyway, this is a view of my office. Again, it's 360. Take a look around. Mr. Sloth is happy to see you. And I appreciate you watching. And if you haven't already, please click on subscribe and hit the alert bell. And join me for a wide variety of videos, many of those focused on Cisco's CCNA certification, including the new program that has been announced by Cisco. And anybody who is doing entry-level, pursuing entry-level networking and skills, I would love to be able to provide for you in this channel a really good support system that believes in you, can help you on those days when you're feeling a little bit down, and help you succeed, because there are so many people that I have met and known where technology and learning skills has changed their life, and that's true for me. It's probably true for you, or it could be true for you, and we want to help you in your endeavors, in your goals. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.